Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we will be working with Dorsaneehair, so thank you to Dorsaneehair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this beautiful upart curly wig. This wig is in a length of 20 inches and it is 250% density. So for this upart wig, I was going for a middle part, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the combs to attach this wig to my head. And because this is a upart wig, these combs are going to be very important for this install. So in the later clips in the video, I am going to situate the part, but for right now I'm going to start shaping this wig. And when I tell y'all, every time I try to shape curly hair, I really don't know what I'm doing. And I know I say this like every time, but I really don't, y'all. Like, I really just eye it. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like cut at an angle the front pieces of the wig so it can kind of shape my head a little bit more. And I'm also going to be cutting it from like time to time as the video goes on, because I realized like some pieces need to be cut later on. In the beginning, I try not to cut too much because later I do like pick at it a little bit and just end up cutting a little more pieces. But like I said, the biggest objective that I'm really trying to achieve is trying to get this wig to shape my head shape. And I love when curly wigs have a lot more of a cut to them, like a little more shape to them. I feel like it just brings the wig to life. So like I said in the earlier part of the video, now I'm going to go ahead and start working on the parting space. So I really wanted you guys to like really pay attention to this part, because I know a lot of people have different techniques on how they blend their U-part wigs or their V-part wigs. But for me personally, this is what works. So this is what I usually do. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking pieces of the wig and then I'm using my comb to kind of tuck the hair under the wig so it can hide the part. And when I tell y'all, like, this actually makes a really big difference, and it really does make the wig look so much more natural. Like, it's super easy to do and it makes your wig just look so good. Like, it literally looks like it's growing out of your scalp as well. Now, I kind of felt like this wig was a little bit too big for my head, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but in the back, it was kind of like a space. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I really try to just disguise it as much as I could. But honestly, y'all, doing this is really going to make a big difference, and I highly suggest it if you guys do purchase a U-part or a V-part wig. So now we're going to get into styling this hair. So I showed you guys a mousse and a curl activating cream, but I actually didn't end up using the mousse as much. So I really just ended up using the Cantu activating cream, and I really like this product on my curly units because it really makes the curls pop. Also, as I'm adding this product into my hair, you guys will see me going in between using the brush and my fingers as well. So I will be using the brush to kind of twirl the ends of the hair, and I'm also going to use my fingers as well to kind of get like a finger coil on the wig as well. And it just makes the hair look so good, y'all, like so good. So for the sake of this video and to speed up the process, I did diffuse this hair, but I just want to let y'all know, if you really want your curls to pop on this wig, I would suggest air drying it, like letting it air dry, because once you let this hair air dry, it's really going to give y'all like the full effect. And I realized when I blow dried it, it really wasn't giving the effect that I really wanted it to give, but once I let it air dry and the next day I reinstalled the wig, and it looks so good. Like, it looked real natural. So I would highly suggest letting this wig air dry. So I wanted to show y'all that you can also wear this wig with leave out, but I usually prefer to wear it without leave out, but I also just wanted to show y'all in this video. So you guys will see me just taking out my hair in the front and literally just showing y'all how it looks with leave out. I mean, it's your preference, whatever you guys prefer. If you guys prefer to leave out, you can do leave out. If you prefer no leave out, it's really up to you and your personal preference, because for me personally, I do prefer the no leave out. But I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all both ways you can wear this wig and how you guys can style it. And that is the best part about V part and U part wigs, is that you can really just be really versatile and really get these wigs to look real natural, and you don't have to do too much. Like, that is the best part. And it's glueless. Did I mention that as well? And also, if you guys are not a big fan of lace, because I know some people really don't like lace, this wig is also a perfect option for y'all. Like, it is so easy to install, 1 2 3, and it looks cute. Alright y'all, so that was everything for this install. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I will have all the information. And once again, thank you so much to Dorsaneehair for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.